The best method to deal with individual differences in the classroom is A. Same teaching for all. B. Corporal punishment. C. Child-centered teaching. D. Ignoring differences. Correct answer is C. Child-centered teaching. Learning by imitation is related to which theorist? A. Piaget. B. Skinner. C. Bandura. D. Brunner. Correct answer is C. Bandura. Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation (CCE) mainly focuses on A. Final examination only. B. Rote learning. C. Overall development of the child. D. Ranking students. Correct answer is C. Overall development of the child. Which of the following is a characteristic of constructivist learning? A. Teacher-centered. B. Passive learning. C. Knowledge is constructed by learners. D. Memorization. Correct answer is C. Knowledge is constructed by learners. Which stage of cognitive development is described by Piaget as the ability to think abstractly? A. Sensorimotor. B. Pre-operational. C. Concrete operational. D. Formal operational. Correct answer is D. Formal operational. Motivation that comes from within the learner is called A. Extrinsic motivation. B. Negative motivation. C. Intrinsic motivation. D. Social motivation. Correct answer is C. Intrinsic motivation. Which method is most suitable for developing critical thinking? A. Lecture method. B. Rote learning. C. Problem-solving method. D. Drill method. Correct answer is C. Problem-solving method. According to Vygotsky, learning occurs best in A. Intelligence quotient. B. Zone of proximal development. C. Reinforcement. D. Trial and error. Correct answer is B. Zone of proximal development. Inclusive education means A. Teaching only gifted children. B. Teaching children with disabilities separately. C. Teaching all children together. D. Ignoring special needs. Correct answer is C. Teaching all children together. Which assessment is conducted during the teaching-learning process? A. Summative assessment. B. Diagnostic assessment. C. Formative assessment. D. Norm-referenced assessment. Correct answer is C. Formative assessment. Thank you for watching. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. For more updates and information, keep following the channel.